back drawing more of OCs. Sorry, there was a really long break there. That's because I had to get my setup ready for traditional drawing, and I'm still working on it, so it's not entirely ready, but hopefully it'll be ready soon. The first OC is from Silly Truffle on Instagram, and they won the Flying Pings app raffle. If you guys want to join that raffle, it's completely random, and you can get the link to it down in the description. It's pretty much the only one in here that's completely random. Because, well, besides commissions, because that's pretty random, because I don't know what I'm going to be doing as a commission, but this is free and completely random who wins. The other ones I kind of choose who wins. If you're new here, I draw OCs for free. Well, most of them. I draw 1 commission per video, and the rest are completely free. All you have to do is comment with a link to your OC down in the comments, or you can get the Flying Pings app for a chance to win this raffle, which is random. All you have to do is enter your email, and you can enter as many times as you want to help your chances, but in the end it's very random, and sometimes people win who have only ever entered once, while others who have entered a ton don't win. So it's kind of sad that that happens, but it's random, so it kind of happens. This OC, what I really liked about this one, again, this was completely random that I got this one, but I was really happy when I saw it because it's really pretty. The most unique thing about it that I noticed was like the left side or her right side, if you were looking from her direction. Her left side of her hair looks shorter than the right side, and it is shorter, and I think that's really neat. It reminds me of like that hairstyle that was really popular. It was like, how many years back was that? Like 5 years or so, where it was that popular hairstyle where people would shave side of their head, but then the other side of their head was really long hair. It kind of reminded me of like a mohawk, if the mohawk was down, only mohawks are shaved on both sides, and this was only shaved on one side, and it was a very unique hairstyle. I always thought it was very interesting. But yeah, that's why I like this one. I had fun drawing it, though I wasn't sure exactly how to go about drawing it, because as you can see on the top there, over on the right, that you can see that's the outfit I drew. I drew the blue outfit and not the pink one. But then she said she wanted me to draw the face from the pink one because the blue one doesn't have a face. So I kind of had to merge them together. And she said to draw the hair from the blue one too, so I'm not sure if the hair's... the hair does look different. Yeah, the only difference is that the hair on the top has pink underneath and the hair at the bottom is entirely blue. I think that's the only difference. Next up here is Galaxy Diamond Stars OC, and they're on the Amino. If you guys want to join the Amino, the link is down in the description. I really love it when you guys join the Amino because I'm obsessed with it. I have been going on the Amino and just staring at people's art and liking it and putting it in the featured entirely too much. I probably feature things more than I should, but it's so much fun. I love it. And by the way, we're also having contests on there now for a chance to win a free OC drawing. The contest will probably happen maybe once a month or so, and they last quite a while. And it's pretty much like a contest, like I'll upload something and say, hey, color this, or I'll upload something and say, hey, try drawing this in your style. And it's kind of like a contest to see who wins and stuff like that. And I'm thinking of doing a designing contest so that it's based on people's originality and designs and not just like their skill at painting or something like that, because I love this design of this character. I had to draw it. This character has no bio. This character has no information. This character doesn't even have a name. But I loved this design so much, and I just had to draw this character. It was just so cute. I don't know. This character was put into the OC section, which is where I told people to put things if they want them drawn, possibly. So I saw this there, and there was no information on it at all, but it was just so cute. I just loved the design so much. I had to draw this one. What I really love about the design is the ears. The ears and the super, super long hair. I wasn't sure if the hair was that long just because it's a chibi, and normally when chibis, well, they have small bodies, so the hair looks a lot longer than it probably would be if they weren't chibi. But I wanted to go with it, and I wanted the hair to look incredibly long and really like flowing. I don't know, I think it's so cool. The hair almost looks like fire or something, and it just, oh, I love the design so much. I wasn't sure about the eyes though. The eyes in the original drawing are white. So I wasn't sure how to make the eye color though, because I knew the eyes weren't really white because it's a chibi drawing and it's impossible to know what the actual eye color was or if her eyes were white. So I had no idea. I decided to go with the reddish color like her hair. I thought it looked cute. I thought it matched, and so that's what I went with. I hope you like it. I just had so much fun designing this character. I don't know why. It was like, I love it. I just adore this design. Sometimes that happens when I'm looking for OCs to draw. I'm like, The design's so cute, I can't not draw it. I realized all the drawings in this video are girls. Last time, normally there's at least one guy or more. The next one is a commission by 𝐼RAMARDI, and they've commissioned me so many times. I'm sure you guys know them by now. They have a bio for this character though. Let me see. Her special gift is that she can understand animals and other languages when she hears them, without her learning them. She hears them as if they're spoken to her in her own language. This reminds me of Harry Potter and how he hears snakes. That's a weird comparison, but yeah. Where was I? But she can't speak the language back. Never mind, Harry Potter can speak it back. In my book, each girl represents a virtue, which can also be turned into a flaw. Lillian is courageous, Jillian is kindness, Brandolin, I don't know how to pronounce this name, is it Brandolin? Maybe? Is compassion, and Katie is intelligence. All of these girls are linked through Lillian, and their soulmates represent virtues as well. And there is more to the bio, but I can't read it all because I don't have that much time. But I love this character. The biggest thing I like about this character, for some reason when it comes to characters, I love the whole blonde with tan skin look. I don't know why, it like offsets. I've always liked also the very tanned skin with white hair look. And I just always thought that looked really cool, probably because I'm a Kingdom Hearts fan and I always saw that with like Xehanort or Xemnas in the game. Or Ansem, they always had the white hair with the darker skin tones, and I always thought it looked so cool. So when with the blonde hair and the dark skin tone, or the darker skin tone, it's not that dark, but it's still offset, so I think it looks super cute, and I really adore it. Also, she looks like a business girl, and I rarely draw business outfits. I drew them a couple times on guys, I think, but never on a woman, and I thought it was super unique and cool. She has so many characters. The only character that she mentioned that I haven't drawn in this is so far Katie, which I think is actually the next one in her list of ones I'm going to be drawing. And I really, really appreciate all your commissions. It's absolutely, no one has commissioned me that much. No one. So I really do appreciate all the support. And the things I love about her characters is they for some reason fit so well into a real world setting, despite the fact they have superpowers. So with the superpowers and the real world, like grounded character designs, it really is cool to me. I don't know why. Like I love grounded worlds, even though they're fantasy-like, and that's what I like about that. Next up here is kind of an artist-ish, I don't know how to pronounce that. And let me see, their character, I don't think it has a name either. Nope, I don't think it does. It doesn't even have a bio either. This is it. It just had this picture, and I had to draw it. So like I said, you guys don't have to have bios when you post your OCs. I still want to draw them even if they don't have bios. I just read the bios if you guys want me to, because I have fun learning about the characters. But for this one, I wanted to draw it so bad because it honestly, at first I thought it was a piece of pizza. I'm gonna be honest with you here. I thought it was a piece of pizza because it looks like one, only it has like different pieces, and then I realized it's not a piece of pizza. It's like a little octopus, and I think it's so cute. It's just so adorable. I love the color red. The color red's my favorite color, and this is like an orangish, and it's also one of my favorite colors. And I did it a little overboard, just a little bit. My shines in the picture are like really yellow, and that's not accurate to the actual picture that I was working from, so I started to try and make it look more red, and I was like, oh man, I totally messed this up. But hopefully you like it anyway, because I had so much fun working on that one. It was just so little and cute, and you guys know I love drawing little and cute things. It's just absolutely adorable. And we're all done here. If you guys want to enter your OC, all you have to do is comment down below with a link to your OC, or you can go post it on my DeviantArt page, or you can post it on Instagram using hashtag #FlyingPings. Any of those places work, and also on Amino, because I'm obsessed with Amino, and I just love that place. It's perfect for this. And by the way, if you want to join the app raffle, that's there too. And there's so much stuff in the description. I'm sorry, I'm rambling so fast right now. I hope you can understand what I just said, but all the information is down in the description if you are confused. Hopefully I wrote that out and it's understandable. Thank you guys so much for watching.